Take a ride in the 2025 Lincoln Nautilus. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. Your new ride is just a phone call away.